Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a topic near and dear to many of our hearts, reviving those beloved, but maybe a little worse for wear, jeans. We're talking about how to repair faded and worn out jeans. Let's get started. First off, assess the damage. Are we dealing with general fading? Or are there specific areas that need attention? Check for holes, tears, or thin spots. This will determine the approach. For general fading, the solution is often simpler than you might think. We can use a few different methods to restore the color. The most common is to re-dye the jeans. You can use a dye specifically for denim or a general fabric dye. Follow the instructions on the dye package carefully. Remember to wash your jeans before dyeing and rinse them thoroughly afterward. To remove excess dye, another option for faded jeans is to use fabric paint or markers designed for fabric. These can be used to add color back to specific areas or to create designs. Be sure to test the paint or marker on an inconspicuous area first, to ensure you're happy with the color and the way it looks. Now, let's talk about specific repairs. For small holes or tears, patching is a great option. You can use a denim patch, either from a repair kit or cut from an old pair of jeans. Place the patch behind the hole. Then either hand sew it or use a sewing machine to attach it. Use a zigzag stitch for extra security. If the damage is more extensive, or if you want a more decorative look, consider visible mending. This involves using contrasting thread to stitch over the damaged area, creating a unique design. This is a great way to add personality to your jeans. For worn-out areas, especially around the knees or the back pockets, you can reinforce them with a patch on the inside of the jeans. This will prevent further wear and tear and extend the life of your jeans. When it comes to washing your repaired jeans, always turn them inside out to protect the repairs. Wash them in cold water to prevent further fading and shrinkage. Avoid using harsh detergents or bleach. Ironing your repaired jeans can also help set the repairs and give them a more polished look. Use a low setting and avoid ironing directly over any patches or visible mends. Finally, remember that the goal is not to make your jeans look brand new. The wear and tear and the repairs tell a story. They show the history of your jeans and the adventures you've had in them. Embrace the imperfections and enjoy the process. So, there you have it, a complete guide to repairing faded and worn out jeans. With a little bit of effort, you can extend the life of your favorite jeans and give them a unique, personalized look. Thanks for watching, and happy mending!